Windows 10 update, Microsoft pulls Windows 11, KB5034440, and Windows 10 update, KB5034441, failing with 0x80070643. The error code 0x80070643 typically occurs during Windows updates due to issues with the Windows recovery environment, WinRE, partition. Here are some common troubleshooting steps you can still take to resolve this issue. 1. Check WinRE partition size. The error often happens if the WinRE partition doesn't have at least 250 megabytes of free space. You can check and resize this partition using the command prompt. 2. Resize WinRE partition. Open command prompt as an administrator. Disable the recovery partition by typing reagent C/disable and pressing enter. Resize the partition using a partition management tool or disk management. Re-enable the recovery partition. By typing reagent C/enable and pressing enter. 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot additional troubleshooters. Select Windows Update and click Run the troubleshooter. 4. Rename software distribution folder. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. Shell netstop wowserve netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop server // windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old netstart wowserve netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart server. This will reset the Windows Update components. Plan B, run the Reset Windows Update tool as administration. 5. Clear /2 folder. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. Shell netstop crypt svc // windows /system 32 //2 netstart crypt svc. This will clear the /2 folder, which is used by Windows Update to store signatures of update packages. Plan B, run the Reset Windows Update tool as admin. These steps should help resolve the update error. If the issue persists, you might need to contact Microsoft support for further assistance.